These slime face squeeze videos are blowing up, millions of views, and nobody's showing you how to actually make one. So I did. Okay, guys, so once you logged into your ChatGPT account, what you're going to do is go to the left side and click on Explore GPTs, okay? And then you're going to type in slime face, and then click on the first one, okay? And then you're going to come down to the bottom and click on Start Chat, okay? It says either start or place yourself in the video. We're going to start with this one right here in particular, okay? And let's see what ChatGPT gives us, okay? It's asking us which character or subject do I want, which table or background do I want, okay? So I'm going to type in the character. I'm just going to choose the name John, okay? And I'm going to select clean white marble, because this is the background choices up here. And then I'm going to click the arrow button for ChatGPT to do its thing. Okay, guys, so this is what ChatGPT gave us. Again, I chose the name John. You can choose any name that you want to, okay? It doesn't matter, all right? Here are the prompts that ChatGPT gave us. You have one main prompt using John, and you have 4 related prompts below that's related to the main prompt, which is John, and then you have the video prompt below. Just go to the corner right here. We're going to copy this, okay? In Google, you're going to type in Whisk AI Google. I'm going to click on this link here. Now, guys, I already have an account with Whisk. If you don't have an account with Whisk, all you have to do is create one using your Google account or create one using an email account. Okay, so once that's done, click Enter Tool, okay? And we're going to right-click and paste the prompt from ChatGPT, okay? Then we're going to go over here and we're going to click the enter button, okay? Okay, guys, so this is what Whisk gave us. Also, guys, below, make sure that you have the ratio at 9:16, okay? So, guys, if you did not like these images, which I do like both of them, you can easily come right back down here and Whisk will generate you images again. This is what it gave us. I don't like it, neither one of them. So guys, I'm going to come to the top up here, and I like this one right here better, okay? So I'm going to download this one, okay? Okay, we are back in ChatGPT. As you can see, that prompts 1 to 4 have exactly the same prompt but different names. So all you have to do is copy the name because the prompt is still on Whisk. We are back in Whisk, and all you have to do is type in David and repeat the process and hit enter again. That's what it gave us. So I don't really like this one. This one is okay. I'm just going to click right here underneath it. Click on it, and I'm going to ask it to remove the air bubble that is right there. Okay. So I just asked to remove the air bubbles on his face and his neck, then click generate. Okay, so this is what it gave us, and I like it. So I'm going to go ahead and just download. Repeat this process until you have your images completed. Okay, guys, the next thing you want to do is go back to ChatGPT. We're going to go to the video prompt. I'm going to copy it. Okay, guys, the next thing that you want to do is go to Google, type in KIE.ai. You're going to click on this one right here at the top. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is go to the right corner and click on Get Started. Okay, it's going to ask you if you have a Microsoft account or Google account. I'm going to select sign in with Google, okay? I'm going to use my Google account, okay? You're going to scroll, click continue, all right? It's going to ask you, if you're human, click yes. At the top, you can see it's got Grok. Click again, Sora 2, Nano Banana Gemini. It has different features on the Suno API. Okay, guys, so what we're going to do is go up here at the top under search. We're going to type in Grok, okay? That'll be the easiest way to do it, okay? First, click on try it, okay? And then I'm going to use image to video, okay? So click on that. I'm going to add the image I wanted to open it up. And go ahead and remove this one right here, guys. Now I'm going to paste what I got from ChatGPT for the video, for the image to video. So I'm going to right click and paste. So I'm going to come down here at the bottom and click run. Okay, our video is complete. It does look good to me. Okay, guys, so if you like the video, which I like the video, go ahead and click on the download button. It's just that simple, okay? And you repeat this process until you have all your images turned into videos. Guys, you just learned how to create your very own slime face video. Now it's your turn. Go try it out and post it on your social media page. Please, guys, remember to like, share, and subscribe. Until the next time, thrive with Darlett.